Hey guys, showing you this iPhone 15 Pro case from Fntcase. So this you can see the case itself have the screen guard. So the case comes with the screen guard as well. This is the kit to install the screen protector. The screen protector is a high thick clear glass sort of. So it's a high quality screen protector here that you can use on your 15 Pro. And this case you can see the quality here. So there is the lens cover that will protect your lenses in the back, and also there is a kickstand here. So you can just open the kickstand so that you can put your phone on stand and watch movies or any videos. So a very nice design, and it have like everything from the sides, also the cutouts you can see from inside. This is not going to scratch the mobile. And then from the corner all the buttons and the things are well made, or well cut. So very nice cover for the 15 Pro.